bolts, but that's it. Yeah, there's your other support bracket, and the other one was at the bottom on the floor.
What's that? What's that one? What's this one? Oh, that's a cylinder.
Yeah, that's the one we saw on the floor. Bolts, but that's it. Yeah, there's your other support bracket, and the other one was at the bottom on the floor.
What's that? What's that one? What's this one? Oh, that's a cylinder.
Yeah, that's the one we saw on the floor.
Oh, no.
You get the wood missing now.
Yeah. Where'd my gun go? You there, Elijah? Yeah. My ink pack gun downstairs. Can I get it again? Good. Are they all the same size? The screws?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, but they're too long now.
I just won't put them in all the way.
What's that one for? Yes. What's that one? Oh, phone.
Oh yeah. I think when they connect to, if they need to do anything to it, I don't know. Maybe emergency phone?
Yeah, looks like phone line.
Yeah. It won't go all the way.
I'm also electrical. So,
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
so
okay, so you should know this then.
So I do.
Yeah, I don't know what that.
Okay. Yeah, should be easy. Looks like easy. I tell
It's
you.
easy. This is easy.
Looks like easy.
Yeah. The only hard part is just balance. Is really balancing. Well, maybe not. Make sure you have extensions. I don't know if he's gonna help you, but because you know what I mean. Like maybe it's not too bad, but it's not too bad. And bolt there. Bolt there. Just reaching over. That one might be a little bit more difficult too. Maybe if the door was open.
That's a two piece, right? See, that's a two piece.
Yes, that's what you were showing me before. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a two piece. That's why I think it should be okay because it's two piece. Two piece I can transfer. This one also, you can take out. I can transfer. That one, yes.
Yeah.
Looks like easy.
I think so. Get the box out, push it out there. Step one. Once the box is gone, take your top piece. Undo that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, that bolt. Undo that one. Undo that one. Take the pieces out in the garage. Right?
Hmm.
Last step would be go down now because the box is already gone, and remove your bottom flanges where that C channel is, and then lift those pieces up. Then you can take that one out.
Yeah, looks like.
Do this all that thing, because then
What?
a wooden
No, I don't
spoon,
know.
a broom,
You don't know? Oh, what are you doing all morning? You
a
don't know?
wooden spoon, a broom, they all do the same job.
Yeah. You stop.
So like this, we'll try to leave in one piece.
Okay.
Most, so we don't have to touch nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
To get the tail off up here. But you take this piece and leave the hydraulic behind.
He's gotta see everything. Put it down.
Nefas is kissing my wrist and slide down.
You gotta slide down it, right?
Right there. Why don't we pull the damn rails off first? You should get the arm bolts first off.
Those bolts, it is those.
Yeah, you have to get the bolts off.
The nuts, these things pop out, and then what?
That's why we gotta figure it out.
This is a big.
Okay, here's one.
I don't know what the hell this is.
You need the 3.
String. Yeah, I'll loosen it all the way. It's got a cotter pin, but. Can you bring my tool pouch down too, Elijah?
No, they're not doing pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you lose them off, you gotta get off of the wheel, huh? If you get
There.
this one off
But
here,
you can't. It's welded.
it's welded.
Can you also bring it?